4.
Oh.
Oh no! Can we switch?
Hi, my name's Jacob.
And my name is Muskaan.
And today we're going to be blind ranking some celebrations while asking some questions about uni. So let's get into it. So, go for the first, the first chocolate. Here we are. Let's give it a go. If I can get it open. So, we have got the Galaxy.
Oh, it's a
normal
Galaxy.
first.
It's a normal Galaxy. I love this.
When did Cardiff start feeling like home for you?
I think Cardiff started feeling like home for me when I started meeting my people and having a sense of community, just doing different activities and really knowing the place. Just made a difference.
I feel like it's nice when you have those connections, right? Because like home doesn't have to be a place. It's like where your connections and your people are.
The people make the place, and I think 100%. I found when you find your people, Cardiff felt like home.
Yeah, I love that. That's awesome. Where do we want to rank this out of 5? We need to pick strategically here because we don't know what's coming next.
I'd give it.
So it is good, but like it's standard. It's like consistent.
It's a classic. I'd give it a 2.
I'd give it a 3. You know, I think there's better to come.
In between. Okay, maybe 3 mix.
Are you happy with 3?
3 is
happy with 3? Yeah. Okay, cool. We've agreed. Okay. You shut your eyes for me. Go for it. Okay. So we have got the Milky Way.
Oh.
So let's give it a taste. This is one of my favourites. If I can get it out of the wrapper.
You always struggle with the wrapper.
They are nice. I like the texture on the inside of those. Very nice. All right. How does winter compare to here than how it does back home?
It's very intense and cold.
Yeah.
And it's quite rainy.
Welcome to Wales.
Where I come from, the winter is more like, that's when we actually go to the beaches, that's when we actually go out. Because I come from Dubai, and in Dubai, winters is obviously 20 degrees, and that's when we can actually go to the beach and enjoy. You can do barbecues. And then obviously now after the rains, then it's dry, but obviously it's sluggish while you walk.
Sluggish?
Like the muddy, sluggish.
a bit slippy.
Yeah, a bit slippy, and it's not the most nice experience to walk, especially if you're wearing white shoes.
Maybe a bit of ice skating though, a little bit, you know, slip and slide.
No, definitely not.
The Milky Way, what are we thinking? I think it's very good. I'm going to push for 1 here.
No.
But where are you at?
I was saying a 4.
A 4?
Or a 2, maybe a 2 or a 4.
2 or 4?
Yeah, because it's mid. It's not the best chocolates I've had. Yeah.
Okay.
It's mid, I'd say. So I'd say 4.
You know, I'll have to deal with that. 4. Okay. Shut your eyes again. Here we go. Ooh, okay. So, we've got the Twix here. It's a good one. A bit more crunchy though.
More hard outside.
A bit like a biscuit. I'm a big biscuit fan since I'm from the UK, so love a biscuit.
I'm not that
No,
much.
not a biscuit fan?
I love a biscuit, but not like every time. Like
No?
every time with tea.
Not like every night, like get a little biscuit? Not for you?
Nope, not my thing.
What is something you've done that surprised you this year?
I tried ice skating for the first
skating,
time.
this time
in the Cardiff Winter Wonderland, and it was the first time I tried it, and it surprised me because I was worried that I would fall. But I managed to not fall the whole 1 hour.
Falls.
0 falls.
I've been ice skating since I was a kid.
No, it was 0 falls, and I used to skate back in school, so I think that helped.
Oh, okay, that makes sense
But
then.
obviously ice skating is different because it's more slippery. Initially I was obviously in the railings, and I think after that it took me some confidence. It's always when you first
get on the rink, I feel like you're always holding on to the side, like you got to find your feet.
It needed, I needed some more confidence, and I think as and when I kept doing it, the last half an hour, I was just in the middle doing on my own, and it was so nice. And I think it surprised me that I would love it so much.
Maybe you have to go back.
Probably go back again.
Gotta get back,
definitely.
The Twix. I don't think we can put it in 5.
But it's not a 1 for sure. Maybe a 2?
I feel like 2 works.
2 works, yeah.
You know what, we agree on this one?
I think 2 maybe.
A 2. I like a 2.
1, yeah.
Here we go. We've got the Malteser. Classic. I feel like you're way quicker at opening these than
me. Because I love chocolates.
Yeah. So, we're going to move on to a question. We let that digest.
Yeah, let the chocolate go in.
Who's had the biggest impact on your university experience?
Ooh, it's quite a difficult question because it's not just one person.
Yeah, for sure.
But I think in different ways, I've had my personal tutor be a big impact. on like my growth from first year to now final year.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I've also had like the careers team, career service
Yeah,
also
those
have an
guys are
impact
amazing, yeah.
on me as well, and like on my professional growth, I'd say.
Yeah, for sure. The fact that you can just like book in a meeting and like
Book in
go
a
and get that
yeah.
support, and it's just there like that, like.
And then
amazing,
all the
isn't it?
resources available online as well. It's
Yeah,
just so
yeah.
helpful.
Sure.
Whereas even with my personal tutor, like we're like so close friends now.
Yeah,
Like
that's
there's
so
any
nice.
time
It's
I
so
can just
nice
be
when
like,
it's like
hey, I
that.
needed help with this, or
Yeah.
I'm struggling with this.
Oh, that's lovely.
And I think she's had a very big impact on my confidence,
Yeah.
my like my assignments
Oh,
as
that's
well.
so nice. Oh,
and
yeah,
I feel very good. So I
definitely.
know I'll miss her when I leave you.
Yeah, for sure. And hopefully you guys can stay in touch. You guys seem like really good friends. That's
I
really
think
nice.
definitely we would
Oh,
stay in
that's
touch
so
for
nice.
sure. One. I'd
What are
say
we
it's
thinking?
a one.
You think it's a one? 1 and 5. We've only got left.
Yeah. I'm not giving this a 5. It's a 1.
So whatever we pick out next
Has to be the worst one.
has to be the worst one.
And it's Malteser.
It is a Malteser though.
Malteser is 1.
Yeah. Have we made the right choice here though?
We shall find out.
I really hope we have. All right. Okay. So I'm very happy about this. We've got Bounty.
Oh no! I love Bounty.
I hate Bounty.
How can you hate Bounty? It's such
Well,
a
maybe not
lovely.
hate. Hate's a bit of a strong word.
No, now I think I should have left it.
I
should have
think
given,
it's last.
yeah, I should have given this a 1. It would have been 1.
All right, let's give it a go.
Very good.
What's the most chaotic thing that's happened in your accommodation?
Oh my god, I think this was in my first or second year. I was cooking, and obviously I forgot to open up the windows,
Right,
and I was
okay.
making some Indian food, and I think
Yeah.
the kitchens here weren't equipped for that. And I was just cooking, and then smoke started coming, and I freaked
Oh, no.
out. And the fire alarm rang, and the
Oh,
whole of
my.
accommodation, everyone had
Everyone.
to come out just because of me. And I think. And it was like in the end I had a walk of shame just
Oh
to come
my
down because I
gosh.
was one of the last ones coming down.
At least they like maybe didn't know it was you though. You could sort of like be like, oh, I wonder who did it,
Yeah,
guys.
I wonder that's what I was trying to
set the
play.
bar
That's how I was
alarm.
trying to play it off.
Did you get away with it though? Got away with it.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's just my friends knew it, but I think
Just
the
your
rest of them, no one had any clue
Undercover.
who caused it. Yeah.
Nice. I know you're going to be disappointed about this by your reaction. I'm very happy about it that we've got
No.
Bounty at number 5.
It doesn't deserve.
I think that's where it should be.
Can you switch? I love to switch.
The list is locked in.
Okay, maybe 5 it is.
You know what, though?
We did a good job.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's a good round.
It's a solid list, I think. Yeah,
Yeah.
solid list.
Definitely.